A very good morning, all. Today we are discuss one of the important topic, that is measurements of elasticity of demand. Measurements of elasticity of demand. In the last class, we are already discussed definition of elasticity of demand. Definition of elasticity of demand. What is the meaning of elasticity of demand? Is change in demand. Change in demand. So, in this video, we are discuss about that changes measurements of demand. The demand changes having different measurements. That measurements we are discussing in this class. So mainly we are having the five different measurements of changes in demand. On the first one is perfectly elastic of demand. Perfectly elastic of demand. And the second one is perfectly inelastic of demand. And third one is relatively elastic of demand. And the fourth one is relatively inelastic of demand. And finally fifth one is unitary elastic of demand. And coming to the first one, perfectly elastic of demand. In this perfectly elastic of demand, what may be the measurement is when the quantity demand of the product having changes without affecting price changes or any other factors. Okay, so the quantity demand having itself changes, increase or decrease without the changes of price or any other factors. That change in demand is called perfectly elastic of demand. The demand itself having changes but without basis of price of the product or taste and preference of the consumer or any other factors. That change of demand is called perfectly elastic of demand. And the graphical representation also there. In this x-axis we are taking quantity demand of the product, on y-axis we are taking price of the product. If you see that the price of the product is constant, but the quantity demand is increases from q to q1 and q1 to q2. So itself the quantity demand increases, but the price in the constant position. So the change in demand, from p to p1 and p1 to p2 is called perfectly elastic of demand. Okay, and next go into the perfectly inelastic of demand. Perfectly inelastic of demand. In this, the measurement of perfectly inelastic of demand is when the price of the product having changed, but there is no change in quantity demand of the product. That elastic of demand is called perfectly inelastic of demand. Inelastic means no change. Inelastic means no change of the no change in the demand. If the price of the product also having change, but there is no change in quantity demand, that elastic of demand is called perfectly inelastic of demand. Inelastic of demand. The graphical representation also there. In this x-axis we are taking quantity demand of the product. On y-axis we are taking price. The price of the product having changes p to p1, p1 to p2, but the quantity demand of the product in constant position. So this elasticity of demand and quantity demand is called perfectly inelastic of demand. And next coming to the relatively inelastic of demand. Relatively elastic of demand. In this, what type of measurement of change we are seeing in demand, that one we are discussing now. In quantity demand product, in the quantity demand of the product having more change when compared to the price change. Okay, the price change in relatively elastic of demand having less when comparing to the quantity demand of the product. The quantity demand of the product having more change when comparing to the price change of the product. This type of measurement is called relatively elastic of demand. Relatively elastic of demand. In this, the quantity demand of the product having more change when comparing to the price change of the product. That measurement of elastic of demand is called relatively elastic of demand. And the next one is relatively inelastic of demand. In this, the quantity demand having less change when comparing to the price change of the product. The price change of the product having more change when comparing to the quantity demand of the product. So this type of change in quantity demand of the product having called by the measurement of relatively inelastic of demand. Okay, if the quantity demand of the product having less change when compared to the price change of the product, that change in demand is called relatively inelastic of demand. Relatively in LSTF. And finally, unitary LSTF demand. In unitary LSTF demand, the change in quantity demand and change in price are equal ratio. The change in quantity demand and change in price is also equal. This type of change in quantity demand of the product is called unitary LSTF demand. Unitary means equal positions of changes we are seeing in quantity demand and price also. So this type of change in measurement is called unitary LSTF demand. These are the five types of measurements of LSTF demand. Thank you.